Well, welcome to another Spotlight series with Devin Miller and Miller IP Law. We're going to let Devin introduce himself and his company and tell us what services he offers as a local resident of Morgan County. Devin.
Well, thanks. Yeah, so work at Miller IP Law. You can see the side in the background. But we work a lot with startups and small business to help them protect and grow their business. So if you were to look at intellectual property is generally related to patents, trademarks, and copyrights. So we help startups and small businesses protect their inventions with patents, their brands with trademarks, and their creatives with copyrights.
Excellent. So, Devin, where are your locations at? Where are you located? Whether it be right now, you're probably doing quarantine style. So basically, where your locations are and your hours and days of operation.
Yeah, so we kind of are pseudo quarantine. We have a small office in Mountain Green where I still am working out of, and one or two other people, and then a couple from working home. But we're up by the Equestrian Center, the Scotsman Center, just in kind of near the storage centers and the little industrial parks. We have an office there, as well as a small office in American Fork as well. So we have a couple different locations. And then hours of operation, normal hours of operation, we're open from 9 to 6, but we also keep what's called inventor hours, to where we're available if somebody wants to schedule a call or do a free strategy session, that they can schedule time either before or after their normal work day, and we'll jump on a call or that. So we're available from about 6 o'clock in the morning till about 10 o'clock at night for people that want to schedule something before or after hours.
Great. How can a client or a new customer reach out to you?
Yeah, so got a few ways. One is that they can go to our website, which is milleripl.com. So Miller, just my last name, IP for intellectual property, and then L for law. That's an easy way. You can go on to the website, learn a lot about our services, as well as on the website, you can schedule a free strategy session. So one of the things we do for people that are uncertain if they need intellectual property and need a patent or trademark or anything else, we'll do a free strategy session where we'll sit down, go through your business, talk through what you may or may not need, and kind of formulate a free strategy so you can decide, what's the best way to protect your business and grow it. Other way is they're welcome to email me. Email is just Devin, DEVIN @MillerIPL. Or if they want to, milleripl.com. And then the other way is if they just want to give me a call or a text, both things are out to my cell phone, and that's just 801-829-8446. So those are kind of the best ways to reach out and to get connected. If people are wanting to find out a little bit more, we do a podcast as well. That's the Inventive Journey, where we interview different businesses and kind of their path along the inventive path and their journey as a startup and small business. So if people want to check that out, that's just a kind of a side note, but something that they can also learn about a lot of different startups and how they've gone through different ways of getting their business up and going and started and launched.
Great. What type of specials or package deals do you promote within your company?
Yeah, so we do one, as I mentioned already, we do free strategy sessions. The other way that we do it is we do flat fees, and so it makes it nice for budgeting and for understanding how much it is. So one of the hard things with a lot of law firms is they do it kind of by a billable hour, and you're never quite certain what things will cost. So we do a pretty affordable flat fees, all of which you can find on the website, and whichever one, depending on whether it's a patent or trademark. And then we do a couple bundles that are what we call startup bundles, and a growth bundle, that if you're wanting to capture, for instance, a patent and a trademark, or a couple patents and trademarks to kind of either get your business launched or recapture some things that you should have been doing. We do a couple different bundles, and you can check those out as well, depending on which bundle makes sense for you. And that gives you a bit of a discount on price as well.
Okay. Anything else you would like to mention to the residents of Morgan County?
Just I said, for those people, and I know get it right now, we're in a bit of a time of crisis or a little bit of uncertainty. So a lot of what we've been doing is sitting down with businesses, and you got a lot of people that are stuck inside or otherwise have a lot of time to think, and they have things that they want to get going, but are kind of waiting out the crisis or waiting for things to settle a bit. And so a lot of things that we found that are being helpful to people is if we can sit down, we can strategize. Okay, we can't, if you don't want to do anything right now, or we can't help right now, certainly understand, but why don't we get a strategy together, no cost to you, and that way when things kind of reopen up and when you're get things settled, that we're able to have a good strategy and a good plan in place. So that's just kind of one for people that have a lot of ideas or revving to get back in their business going or whatnot. We're happy to sit down, help out, do a video chat or a call or whatnot, and help out however we can.
Well, it's nice to know that there is a IP attorney in our county. A lot of people don't realize that with certain services that are provided.
Mm-hmm.
So it's great to be able to have someone local that we can reach out to. So hopefully we can support your business as a county and residents of this county. And we appreciate you being on today's Morgan Local Business Spotlight.
Oh, my pleasure. It's been fun to be on, and always love to support local people and local businesses. So we focus on doing kind of the same thing with helping small businesses as well. So great to be on.
Great. Thanks, Devin.
My pleasure.